Hello, I'm Joe Casey, Chesterfield's County Administrator. In Chesterfield, our focus is citizens. As Virginia's 5th largest locality, we strive to be the model of everyday excellence by meeting the needs of our residents based upon the priorities they helped us define. We do this by developing and delivering programs and services that are innovative and effective. Here are 4 examples of new ways the county is concentrating its efforts to effectively deliver necessary services. This approach to serving our citizens also provides opportunities for them to be involved in their local government. Let's take a look.
As a traditional 911 services, you have an emergency, you dial 911, units would go to the house, we'd take you to the hospital, and then we would essentially not have any contact with the patient anymore. Every year our annual growth in call volume has gone up, and we know we can't meet the needs of the call volume, so we needed to find new novel approaches to meet the call services. What we do now is we deal with all kinds of emergencies, and we stay with the patient and make sure that we fulfill the needs that they have, whether it be referrals to social services, mental health, other private partnerships that we've been able to develop, so they don't need to call 911, so that we meet all their needs. We were able to demonstrate a reduction in call volume for us. These patients were sick. They had heart failure, alcohol abuse, high blood pressure, dementia, and we were able to link them with what they needed to do so that they were able to stay at home or go to a facility that could meet their needs. One of the unique aspects of our program is dealing with addiction. Recently, we've partnered with mental health to get a peer counselor to join our team. So when there's an overdose in the field, we know about it the next day, and we send out a community paramedic and our peer counselor, and then we talk to the individual and convince them the best we can to work through their road to recovery.
The Citizens Academy was an invention, quite frankly, just a few years ago in Chesterfield County. I was fortunate to be part of a team that thought of ways in which the citizens could learn more about their local government, become more engaged, and not just figuring out how to help us serve our citizens and hold us accountable for what we're doing, but also learn how to do things on their own and helping their friends, neighbors, businesses, community to be what they want it to be.
And I just want to draw your attention to
this is a front row seat, actually, to many of the officials, elected, department heads, police chief, fire chief. These are all the people who make the decisions on behalf of the citizens each and every day.
You can come into my office.
So to have those citizens helping us out, many of whom who have lived here their whole lives, many of whom have lived here for generations as far as their families, learning, quite frankly, for the first time who their local government really is, and knowing that we really are there and designed to help serve them.
The responsibilities of the animal.
It's also the things you just don't think about that have a local government connection. A child going to school in 1st grade learning 3+5, that teacher is a local government employee at the end of the day. We're here for everybody, but again, they don't know who we are. So the Citizens Academy takes us through all of the pieces of local government.
come on board and help.
Rewards and accolades are nice, but the best accolade we get is somebody who's been here for quite some time and says thank you. Thank you for what you're doing. We know you care. We know now what our taxes are going for. We can see it, and we're a part of it.
The kids that get involved in the juvenile justice system, we know through literature, research, and our experience now that they have histories of trauma, they have mental health issues, and they're at high risk to reoffend.
Good, really good.
This department actually had a vacant administrator position, and rather than more administrative oversight, we really wanted a position that directly worked with kids and families. So we took that position and converted it to a senior mental health clinician that we shared with our partners at the Court Services Unit and our adolescent reporting program partners. She is a familiar face to the kids and the families, and so she provides supportive counseling, crisis intervention. She does screenings on the front end with the courts. She does psycho-ed groups with our kids. She does wonderful trainings for our staff. She's also part of Chesterfield County's Department of Mental Health Support Services. We have a wonderful relationship with them. So in terms of trying to coordinate services and for families and children when they're transitioning out of the justice system. So it is important that we're effective in trying to address some of their needs and figure out what's going on in their families and with them so that we can be more successful in trying to make them more productive members of our community.
The award that we got was for our public outreach regarding the Northern Jefferson Davis Special Area Plan. That area has a wide range of land uses within it, as well as a very diverse population, including some residential neighborhoods too. So there was a wide range of people and businesses we needed to touch base with during the plan. We had over 96 community meetings for that plan. We had over 31,000 social media posts. We had over 1,000 email contacts that we had during that whole 3-year period of time. But it looks like flowers. At the end, the most remarkable thing I thought was at the public hearings we had both for the Planning Commission as well as the Board of Supervisors. We had absolutely no opposition to the plan. And we had over a dozen people stay late into the evening to stand up and speak in support of the actual plan. So that was a remarkable kind of finish for a fairly controversial and very diverse area of our county. Very successful.
These are some of the programs that were recognized with achievement awards from both the National and Virginia Association of Counties. While the awards are a nice recognition of our success, it doesn't tell the whole story. It's our team of dedicated professionals that work every day to provide the services and programs residents want and need, to do it in a way that's efficient and effective. It's our goal in Chesterfield County to provide excellence to our citizens each and every day.